government has brought you all an automated message. Many countries have been ambushed by bombs disguised as presents, eliminating almost all of the southern hemisphere, heading towards the northern hemisphere. The government demands you to lock up your doors and hide underground. Do not let anyone get into your homes. Here is another automated message from the government. An old man wearing a red sweater was found placing men presents around in Lincoln, Nebraska. We are warning everybody to avoid this man. If you see him, call 911 immediately. His main focus is thought to be vulnerable people, so try to keep your eyes out at all times, and be prepared. The government has locked down the location of this man, intimidating a Santa-looking figure. It is unknown who this person is, if he is Santa or not, but it is found to see him breaking into someone's house. The police are trying to fix